everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today we wanted to create an easy short video to give you some tips for best practices using wheelbarrows and moving soil. So let's get to see what David is up to, and he is going to share some advice with all of you. Well, hey David, what you up to?
Well, we had these trees removed a while ago and the stumps ground, and they've left like little mounds, and I've got a spot by the ditch that I'm filling in, and we thought it'd be good to show everybody how to move soil without hurting your lower back.
Because we are of the age where you really need to be conscientious.
Yeah.
I know I'm starting to be like, oh, I slept wrong, and now I have to go to a chiropractor.
That's exactly right. So we learned this from a friend, and it's pretty easy. You just kind of tilt the wheelbarrow over.
So this is better for a one-wheeled wheelbarrow, not
Yes.
the two-wheel.
Exactly. And just start shoveling it in. Not having to lift it up very high or anything.
So everybody knows, this is like a mix of the native sandy soil and the stump grinds of the river birch that had been here. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's pretty good soil. But I'm not moving my lower back. It's feeling pretty good. And you don't have to fill this up all the way, but just kind of fill up as much as you need to until it's full, and then just tilt it up. And it's not overfilled, so it's not super heavy. You just go dump it.
And let's see what you're up to in the culvert. So you can see where David's already done a couple loads. This was really washed. So this is a temporary measure, right? We'll probably do something.
Yeah, we'll do something eventually.
And of course we're gonna have the driveway concreted.
Yeah.
But yeah, this was definitely a low spot leading down.
It was just getting difficult to mow around, so I was just gonna fix it.
Great solution. And
Yeah.
I'm glad you're working smart, not hard.
That's right.
No point in hurting yourself when you are working in the garden.
It's a fun hobby. I didn't want to use the work word.
That's right. We try not to ever refer to garden tasks as being work. The W word, that's not what this is. This is not yard work. This is pleasure.
Yeah.
Depending on how you look at pleasure.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, David, for taking on this task. We're just a few days away from getting the designs back from the NC State class. In fact, it's will be the middle of next week when we choose the winner, and hopefully soon after that we will start actually breaking ground on this garden.
I'm excited about it. We've got a little bit of a budget to work with, so we'll see what we can get done.
Well, I hope you'll find this video to be helpful. Be sure to work smart and not hard. Don't hurt yourself when you're out, moving soil around in your garden. And thanks so much for watching, everybody.
Thanks for watching.